Hi, I'm here at Motomachi. Okay. Hello, I'm here at APPLEMAC Motomachi, and it's right near by Sannomiya Station. It's only about 3 minutes away, and it's also right next to Motomachi Station as well. I'm here because my laptop had some issues with some heat, and I've came here because it's the cheaper and the best option here. And it's people from all over, from Osaka and Himeji, could come here because it's very accessible. The service here is very, very nice because they gave me pineapple juice right here, and I'm just so happy. And I'm just so happy here to get the service, and very quick as well. And the people here are so nice and very friendly. And I hope that you all come here to get your laptops and your drones and other Windows and Apples and whatever that you have. Just come here because their service is really, really good.
Yay!
Yay! いいかな。
ありがとうございます。
いや